How to use Airbnb gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimu from the Solution Guy. In today's video I will show you how you can use and redeem an Airbnb gift card. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have an Airbnb gift card and you want to redeem it, it's very simple to do so. Just go ahead and open up your browser. Whether you're on desktop or Windows, it doesn't really matter, and even on your Android or iOS device you can do from the app, but I'm just showing an easy way to go from your browser and then redeem it. And after you open your browser, you just have to go to airbnb.com/gift. So it's airbnb.com and then you want to type in slash and then type in gift, and you'll be taken to the official page to redeem your Airbnb gift card. Now this is not a third-party website, it's the official website. And first you also might want to log into your account. First let's check if you have an account. So if you do have, go ahead and log into your account. After you log in, let's redeem your gift card. So you can see this pin box right over here. You just have to go ahead and then enter your gift card in this box. Once you enter your gift card, make sure you have entered everything correctly, and once you've made sure that you've entered everything correctly, just tap on the redeem gift card option. As soon as you do that, you would have successfully redeemed your gift card on Airbnb. That's all it takes to use an Airbnb gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.